The state government has created a Corpus fund of Rs 4 crore to assist broomstick farmers struggling with low market prices. Agriculture Minister Emperin Lingdo announced that the fund was created 3 months ago and encourages farmers to store their broomstick produce in warehouses rather than selling at low prices. Financial aid is available through the fund for those who apply, and several cases have already been processed. The government is also considering setting up processing centers in Amlarem, Pinursula and Mausanram to enhance the value of broomsticks.
We have already instituted a corpus fund of 4 crores rupees 3 months back, and there is a procedure for application of relief. It's a fund of relief, which means if farmers are requested to stock their produces in a warehouse and not sell while the rates of the broomstick is at its lowest. The interim period for the farmer between the cutting of the final produce to the sale in the market will be relieved, which means we give a monetary fund to the farmers